We're kicking back, relaxing, and sipping one of my favorite drinks from my favorite bartender. And that bartender is me. Because today, I'm testing out my new Bartender kit. And it comes shipped to your door with everything you need to bring out your bartender too. You just need to bring the drinks. Inside the box, you have a strainer, a bar spoon, ice tongs, an ice crushing stick, some metal straws, a cleaning brush, a liquor pourer, a bottle stopper, a corkscrew, 2 different size jiggers, a stainless steel shaker, an acrylic stand, as well as legs for your acrylic stand. Then last but not least, a recipe booklet with tons of great starter ideas. To get started, remove the protective backing from the acrylic stand, then unscrew the screws from the legs. Put the screws through the top and bottom of the acrylic stand and the leg in between. Screw the pieces back together, holding the stand together. Repeat this for the remaining legs, and your stand is fully built and ready to go. Everything has a place and lets you organize things quickly. Now I can find what I need when I need it. And I need it right now, because I'm thirsty. I went through the recipe book, and I thought the best looking drink was the super sweet peach Bellini. But I'm gonna substitute the champagne for vodka. And I'm not big on measurements. So to make my drink, we're gonna pour vodka and orange juice at the same time. I do 5 parts OJ and 1 part vodka. 2 if you're feeling spicy. Then to top off the last bit, grab the peach schnapps and OJ and mix those 2 part schnapps and 3 parts OJ until your cup is about 3/4 full. Place in some ice cubes. Then put on the other side of the shaker and give it a shake. Pour it into your cup, and then grab the key ingredient, grenadine. Pour a smidge in the middle of it to taste. Now this is a heavier liquid, so it falls and rests to the bottom if you don't stir or shake it anymore. Then lastly, garnish with a peach. But unfortunately, our grocery store was completely out of fresh peaches, so I found a cup of peaches that I can eat on the side, so it's all good. Even without the peach, it creates a pretty gradient and is fun to present to your friends. Or you could take it back to your desk and treat yourself like I will. The best part about bartending is being creative and making a fun drink that will bring a fun time to yourself and others. You could replace the vodka in my recipe with coconut rum for a fun summer drink, or replace the vodka with champagne for a fancy event. I clearly have no formal training. I completely forgot I could put in the liquor pourer to use while I was pouring my liquor. But I still had a lot of fun making drinks and experimenting with new recipes, so I'll be using this kit, learn, and get better at making drinks. But for the record, even without formal training, both my girlfriend and I thought it tasted great. We couldn't taste any alcohol in the drink, and had a fun night. So if you'd like to be your own bartender and learn how to do it properly with the right tools and impress your friends, this Bartender kit might just be for you. Till next time, I'm gonna go finish my 3rd drink. It's delicious. See ya.